Hey yo, I'm here at Bells Rapids. Just like down there and stuff. Climbed up the hill. I don't think I'm actually supposed to be in this area. I'm on like a really steep cliff down to a train line. But that's where I'm trying to get. You can see the waterfall down there. So we're going to try to make our way down and around and all through here and get to that waterfall. Can't see anyone else out there. Might be fences. Well, let's do it, eh? Bells Rapids. That's the footbridge. I've almost crossed my Bronco there, but it's way too deep now. But I'm definitely, I've got my little car at the moment. I get the boat and I'm going down there where it's flowing. So the men in high vis on the railway line said I could cross after the train, but I'm still waiting for the train, so I came for a walk. Here we are at ground level. This is definitely, I got a boat ramp here. I'll probably, oh maybe I'll go down there a bit for the boat. And so yeah, just came down to have a look at the water. And I met some girls, a couple of ladies who said they'd been to the waterfall where I'm trying to get to. They said I had to crawl through a culvert under the ground, under the train line, full of water. So, just go have a look. Okay, things are getting a bit wet. I'm not out to totally soak the car today. Yeah, good one, Mikey. Famous last words, as usual. This looks like a fun place to run the cars. There's the train we've been waiting for. I'll only jump in occasionally with voiceover. So that's the train line that heads to Kalgoorlie. Heads out east. You can catch the Prospector and go visit Kalgoorlie on that train line. Past Bells Rapids. Can't go over it. Can't go around it. Have to go under it. Alright. Well, I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a little bit nervous about this. Oh, and my shoelace is already undone. Let's get that tied up tight, eh? Alright. big for the tunnel. Nah, not all of you are, I can see. Did you get to the waterfall?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to do, hey?
Nice.
Am I on the right track?
You might know to pick that up some of the times.
It goes through water, but yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's waterproof, apparently.
Yeah.
I was a little bit nervous on the other side, but it's alright.
Yeah.
So the plan is to try to get like up to where that water's flowing, really. So we're going to go down and follow it up and see what I discover. I won't have the camera running the whole time. Let's walk it down here around the corner and have a look. Looks like there's 3 ways to go. 3 options. Cross the water, up there. Up this path, potentially steep. And down here, we're going to end up nowhere. So let's go that one. This one's been through here for a while, so unfortunately it's quite a edge. You see it's a bit tough for my car through here. But yeah, the path would have been easy. Deep. Spider webs. Mark it. Don't anyone tell you I'm afraid of spider webs. There's the waterfall I'm trying to get to. And just look at this beautiful place. Alright, let's see how this goes. That was sharp. Okay, here we go. Lol, damn it. Big splash into the water there. Damn it. I gotta go in for it, really. Took a quick moment, try to see if there's a stick or a selfie stick or something I could do, but it was deep, it was far out, I just had to step in there. Soak me boots, soak me pants. And she still runs, somehow, for now, anyway. They make these axial wraiths tough. Just trying to clamber somewhere to safety where I can sit down and check things out. Well, I fucked up pretty hard there. That was pretty bad. Race still seems to be going. So we got soaked. And that hold us down there. Oh, here we are. Getting pretty close to the waterfall now. We'll make our way past this bit and up around there. And maybe tumble right from the top, hey? I made it to the waterfall, the bottom of the people. And yeah, fuck yeah. One of the kids there got his mum's phone and subscribed. Tell us to come back RC. You should too. Well, after getting totally submerged and soaked, the race made it up this massive hill. You can see the bottom of the waterfall where I was with the people just before. The race just made it straight up this steep hill in one go. And now we're at the sort of to the side of the waterfall. And after falling down that little hill before, I've got some serious concerns for the safety of the Wraith. But we're still going to go around there a little bit. Not too close to the edge of the waterfall, I don't think. But we're not stopping here. How's that for a view? Sit on your swing. Look out over the valley. Bit tired. We made it, see the railway line down there. We made it to above the waterfall here. Boots squelching. And the car's dead. Turn the camera off. So the car's dead. Worked for a little bit after that, but yeah, cooked the receiver. No big deal. Alright, so I broke my car, but I pushed onto the top of the waterfall here. You can see you can quite safely get down there, but I don't know if I'm feeling it. Yeah, I don't want to go to the edge. This is close to the edge you're going to get today. And I had to carry my broken car all the way down. Oh yeah, a beautiful spot. Here it is. Top of the waterfall, Bells Rapids. I made it. Alright, walking back down there. Can you see that? I've got the wraith tied up on a bit of a sling. That's how it's getting down the hill. Bit of a struggle getting down that slope behind me there. My wet boots and all. Hopefully the wraith was on the back, so that wasn't too bad. I think we were here just before, but let's just have another little peek. I don't feel too safe going to the bottom of the waterfall. Another swing here, not as comfy. Alright, let's push back. There's a good view from where the wraith stacked it, right on that rock there. Down that big bang, ba bang, ba bang, right into the middle of that pond. Fuck. Always sits a bit squiff. And yeah, I brought the boat, so I popped down, had a bit of a run, but unfortunately it didn't last long before it broke the prop shaft. I didn't lose any bits, but yeah, the prop's not turning, coming loose. Yeah, enjoy a little bit of driving, and you can see where I broke it. Luckily it didn't stop while I was out in the middle there, because it just would have kept flowing down to the rapids a bit down. You drive your boat blind, probably. Well, that's it. Just hit something, and like clonk, and then yeah, it's just like snap the shaft, or the ends popped off or something. The prop's still sitting in there, but not turning. Not very successful run with the boat. And that's where the boat would have flowed down to if it stopped in the middle of the river. It would have been pretty funny. I would have caught it on the rocks there. Alright, well I've been out here a few hours now. Broke the car. Broke the boat. I guess it's time to go home. Have a great day. Thanks for watching my little adventure to find the waterfall. I broke the boat, broke the car, but you know, success.